Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage intensive drying function in Bosch Dishwasher SPV. So in the first step, turn on your appliance and hold the setup button for 3 seconds. Then tap on the setup button 2 times, and as you can see there you have a letter D01. That means the extra drying function is activated. If you want to switch it off or manage this function, click on the start button once. In my case now it's deactivated. To apply this change, hold the setup button for 3 seconds. Now the extra drying function on my device is deactivated. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.